Let's talk about the best business bank account for a small business. And the thing is that it's all about flexibility, but also all about operational efficiency. And the thing is, sometimes if you were to go to a traditional bank or traditional credit union, and they take like forever to open a business bank account because you have some problem or have you. Into this conversation, I'll be sharing with you some banks that are really, really flexible when it comes to business bank accounts for small businesses. So here's a review I want you to pay attention to. So number one, you have BlueVine Business Checking. So what we love about BlueVine is actually the flexibility. So they're really fast. I mean, they will open your business bank account the same day. It's instantaneous. That's really good. And so you can actually bank from anywhere with a fully online business checking account at BlueVine. They accept everybody, okay? And this account has no monthly fees, overdraft fees, or transaction fees, and does not require a minimum opening deposit. So you can open a BlueVine business checking account with a $1, not a problem, even 1 cent. And this high yield account also boasts a great interest rate, so you can earn 2% interest on account balances up to and including $250,000. Okay. And BlueVine customers have free ATM withdrawal access through the MoneyPass network. In addition, you can deposit cash at all Points Plus and Green Dot locations across the US. That's really cool. So that's really fantastic. So when you think about BlueVine, as I said a little earlier, we love the flexibility. That's just fantastic. No monthly fees or minimum opening deposit, unlimited free transactions, no overdraft fees. So this is really good, and you have a free incoming wires and low outgoing wire transfer fees. And sub accounts help users set funds aside for specific purposes. In terms of liquidity management, this is really great. The second account I want to share with you is a Grasshopper business checking account, and this account is really fantastic. It's a great small business bank account, and so you have an APY of 2.25%, minimum opening deposit $100, and they do not actually have overdraft fees. This is really good. So we like Grasshopper's online business checking account because this account pays you in two ways. You can earn unlimited 1% cashback on qualified purchases and up to 2.25% APY on the balance on your account. So APY, annual percentage yield. You also get free built-in access to auto books, as well as business tools like invoicing and cash management. So this is really good in terms of flexibility. This is really a great account. By the way, boss, welcome back to the show. It's really a pleasure to have you here. Make yourself comfortable. You are going to enjoy today's conversation. Next, I want to share with you NBKC business account. So if you are looking for a business bank account for a small business that can really set you up real fast, this NBKC is really great, okay? And it's an online business checking account. You can open it and it's instantaneous. Minimum opening deposit $0. So if you have 1 cent, not a problem, they'll take you. You have a free cash deposits unlimited. So this is really good. So NBKC's business bank account is a free business checking account with no deposits and no minimum balance requirements. This account includes unlimited transactions, fee-free ATM access through the MoneyPass network with the ability to deposit cash and up to $12 in monthly refunds for ATM fees charged by other banks worldwide. So this is really cool. I mean, with BlueVine, they have unlimited refunds, but NBKC is actually limiting their refunds to $12. But the cool thing is there are no monthly fees or minimum opening deposits, and you have unlimited fee-free transactions. But this is kind of cool in terms of your transactions. There are no overdraft fees, free incoming domestic wires. Fantastic. Okay, and this is great. The fourth bank I want to share with you is Ashe Bank Basic Business Checking, and this account is really good also in terms of small business checking accounts because you have a zero monthly fee, zero minimum opening deposits, free cash deposits, and you have overdraft fees. You are able to charge. They will charge you $25, and there is a bonus of $400 if you open today. So this free online business checking accounts delivers 24/7 customer support and includes free unlimited cash deposits via compatible All Points and MoneyPass ATMs, a feature matched by a few other business checking accounts. Plus, you get truly free nationwide ATM access with unlimited refunds for fees charged by other banks and ATM operators in the United States. So that's really good. So when you think about this account, I want you to think about flexibility, but also liquidity management. There are no monthly fees or minimum opening deposits, and you have 24/7 customer support. You have a welcome bonus for new customers. We are speaking about $400. Think about it. Now, the only thing we don't like about this is that this account right now is that there are no third-party app integrations, and you also have a $25 fee for insufficient funds, uncollected funds return. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about the best business bank accounts for a small business. Next, I want to share with you the Ling Club tailored checking account. So this account is kind of cool because the account, first of all, pays a 1.50% in terms of APY. There is a $0 minimum balance to actually get the APY. The monthly fee of $10. Now this monthly fee is waived if you maintain within the account a $500 minimum balance, and there is a minimum opening balance of $100, and there are free cash deposits. There are no overdraft fees, so this is really good. So we love this account because Ling Club Tailor Checking has several standout features, including unlimited fee-free cash deposits and free ATM access worldwide. And this online business checking account also earned 1.5% on balances of $100,000 and 1.0%, 0.10% APY on all balances after that. So this is kind of cool. So fantastic. Next, I want to share with you Bank of America Business Advantage Fundamentals Banking. So this is actually the first traditional bank that's actually making our list. Fantastic account. Fantastic account. So you have there's a monthly fee of $16. There is a $100 opening deposit minimum. Free cash deposits up to $7,500 per statement cycle. So this is an important element to mention here. There is a $10 in terms of overdraft fees, and there is no bonus here. But the reason why we love this account is that basically, if you are a banking business advantage fundamentals banking account holder, you have access to thousands of Bank of America branches and ATMs. This business checking account features a generous cash deposit allowance up to $7,500 per month, along with fee-free electronic transactions and up to $200 non-electronic transactions. So I'm talking here about checks paid, other debits, deposited items. So this is really good. And this account is kind of cool in terms of flexibility. So really, really fantastic account to have, at least to think about. So especially when it comes to the fact that business accounts can be opened entirely online. You don't have to visit a Bank of America branch to actually open an account. Next, you have a Chase Business Complete Banking. This is another business checking account from a traditional bank, okay? And so this account is kind of cool. The monthly fee is $15, but it's waived with a $2,000 minimum balance. There is the $0 minimum opening deposit, free cash deposit, yes, up to $5,000 a year. I mean, a month rather. Overdraft fees are $34, and there is a bonus. And this is a good one. $400, okay? So Chase Business Complete Checking is a digital-friendly small business bank account that includes access to over 4,700 branches and 16,000 ATMs across 48 states. And this Chase Business Checking account carries a $15 monthly service fee, which is really waived, as I said a little earlier, if you actually meet other designated criteria or actually maintain a minimum daily balance of $2,000, okay? So this is really good. And so overall, fantastic account, fantastic account. Another account that we love is the US Bank Silver Business Checking Account. And here, minimum opening deposit here, you have $100, and free cash deposits, yes, up to $2,500 per month. And so you have overdraft fees can be $36. You do not want to get there anyway. And there is a bonus of $800 here. So we have to really think about that. So US Bank, when you really think about it, is one of the few brick and mortar banks that lets you open an account online. You can also call or visit a branch if you want. I mean, U.S. Bank is not a national bank; it is a mid-tier regional bank. That's how we think about it. The same way we qualify PNC or so you have Fifth Third, you have U.S. Bank, you have PNC, and you have Key Bank also. So U.S. Bank has more than 2,000 branches in 26 states. So that's really good. So you can call or visit a branch to get your account started. So the U.S. Bank Silver Business Checking Account has no monthly fee and includes 125 transactions and up to $2,500 in cash deposits per statement cycle at no additional cost. So this is really cool. And so overall, a fantastic account to really think about. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about the best business bank accounts for a small business. Next, I want to share with you Wells Fargo Initiate Business Checking Accounts. This is a fantastic account, and even though the account has a monthly fee of $10, you are able to waive it if you maintain $500 minimum balance. So this is really cool. There is a minimum opening deposit of $25, and you have free cash deposits up to $5,000. Okay, and overdraft fees account for $35. This is really good. Now the thing is, what we love about this account is that Wells Fargo is a national bank, unlike Key Bank or PNC or Fifth Third or BMO. You know, Wells Fargo is kind of similar to a Bank of America or Chase or Citi for that matter, because Wells Fargo, for instance, has 4,900 branches across more than 40 states plus the District of Columbia. So the Initiate Business Checking Account has a $10 monthly fee that can be waived with a minimum daily balance of only $500. So this account includes 100 fee-free transactions and 5,000 in fee-free cash deposits per month, making it a great option for a wide variety of small businesses. And Wells Fargo Business Checking Accounts also provides access to over 12,000 fee-free ATMs, free online bill pay, and mobile check deposits. Okay, so that's really an important element to think about that. And with Wells Fargo, the good thing is you have a phone customer support available until 11 p.m. Eastern on weekdays and on Saturdays and Sundays. Think about that. And no fees at Wells Fargo's ATMs throughout the world, and throughout the state, throughout the country. And we're talking here about 4,900 branch locations. So this is really cool. Next, I want to share with you another account. This is the Relay Business Checking. So this account is really great. So Relay is a free online banking platform with a lot to offer, including unlimited fee-free transactions, no overdraft fees. We have free incoming wires and fee-free cash deposits at compatible all points ATMs. So the way we think about Relay is that we think of Relay as a neobank. Okay, so if you want to streamline your finances, you can actually connect your account to QuickBooks Online or Xero for that matter. And the platform also integrates with Gusto, Plaid, or Yodlee. And Relay also allows you to invite your partners and employees to your account, assign them user permissions, and automate their spending limits. So you have the possibility there to actually get things done a lot faster. So when we talk about business bank account for a small business, it's really important for you to have a clear idea of what we're talking about. So a business account is a bank account designed to meet the needs of entrepreneurs. So not just because people think, oh, you got to be a big business or like a mid-sized business or a large enterprise to actually open a business account. No, if you're an entrepreneur, if you're a solopreneur, you can even open a business account, not a problem. So typically this will be a checking account that your company, your LLC, your single member LLC, your single member S corporation or L or C corporation actually is using for its day-to-day operations. However, there are a number of traditional types of business bank accounts, including savings account, cash management accounts, credit cards, and merchant service accounts. So these accounts may offer business-specific features like built-in tools for business services such as invoicing or tax planning, as well as transaction limits that allow greater cash flow. For instance, you have the Ling Club tailored checking account that I just shared with you in today's conversation. This account allows new business owner clients up to $2,000 in daily ATM withdrawals and its personal checking account caps that total at $500. And those additional benefits can come with a bigger price tag. And that Lending Club personal account doesn't charge a monthly fee, but its business account costs $10. Though there are multiple ways to waive this fee, banks may also place additional scrutiny on business accounts to prevent issues like money laundering and fraud. That's one reason some financial institutions explicitly prohibit the use of their personal accounts for business purposes. So when we talk about the best business bank account for small businesses, it really depends upon your goals and what you are really thinking about. So in today's conversation, I gave you a list of 10 accounts that can really fit the bill. But now you have to really see which one you are looking for. Are you looking for a business checking account? Are you looking for a business savings account? Are you looking for a business money market account? Are you looking for a merchant service account? What are you looking for? I mean, you got to have a clear idea of what you're looking for, right? A merchant account, for instance, is great for accepting debit and credit card payments. Okay, and so you have low transaction fees. That's for sure. You have additional fees when it comes to some transactions, depending on the riskiness of the transaction. So you got to have a better idea of the type of the small business bank account that you're looking for based on your needs. So how do you actually choose a business bank account for your small business? Well, it really depends on, again, going back to what I said a little earlier, it depends on what you're really looking for, but there is actually a basic set of criteria that you can really look at when it comes to comparing and contrasting, let's say, business bank accounts, right? Monthly fees, transaction and deposit limits, ATM access, customer support, incidental fees, value added features, and so on and so forth. So when we talk about monthly fees, so recurring fees, you have to understand recurring fees eat into your bottom line. So look for an account with no monthly fees, like a free business checking account or a high yield savings account with no fees. If an account does carry a monthly fee, make sure you can reliably hit the minimum balance so you have the fee waived or have the benefit of of any added features outweighing the monthly cost. When we talk about transaction and deposit limits, it's important to really understand that most accounts place some restrictions on transactions and deposits. Brick and mortar banks typically limit fee-free transactions, anywhere from 100 transactions to 500 per month for entry-level business accounts. Some banks only limit in-person transactions, while others cap all activity. And so online banks rarely limit the number of transactions you can make, but most impose other limits, such as how much you can transfer or deposits each month. So you want to read the fine prints to understand what's really included and make sure that those limits will not stifle your business activity. Really important, okay? And also ATM access. And you have a company like a BlueVine a checking account like BlueVine Business Checking that's entirely online. The question is, are you comfortable doing your transaction online only, or you want something else? Okay. Also, think about those incidental fees. So additional fees on your business account can add up real fast. You want to check the schedule of fees for your account to understand what extra charges could apply. Common fees include stop payment, non-sufficient funds, and overdrafts. Okay, and also the value-added features that come with the account. So we're speaking about things like tax planning tools, which are really great for sole proprietors and freelancers. Other accounts offer easy integrations with business tools like QuickBooks and QuickBooks Online and Gusto to streamline your business operations. And some business banks can help you network with investors and workshop your pitch deck, making them some of the best banks for startups. So this is really fantastic. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. Into this conversation, I gave you the best business bank account for small businesses. So let me give you the review here. So number one, BlueVine Business Checking. Number two, Grasshopper. Number three, NBKC. Number four, Ashe Bank. Number five, Ling Club Taylor Checking. Number six, Bank of America. Number seven, Chase. Number eight, US Bank. Number 90, was Fargo. Number 10, Relay Business Checking. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.